Hello, my name is Dana Kennedy and I'm an adjunct instructor at Unity College. I teach animal care and training, which pairs really well with my background as a zookeeper. When I was at the North Carolina Zoo, I worked all over the park, and some of it was just by circumstance and some of it was just my own willingness to move around and try new things. So for those of you who are in the field and maybe are stuck in a certain position and really want to work with another species or another variety of animals, here's some advice to maybe help you get on the right path to what you want to do. First and foremost, be open with your supervisor. If you are really interested in working with other animals outside of your current routine, just ask. Sometimes they're really willing to help you get into those other positions and get experience with those animals that you really desire to work with. Asking is a great way also to build a relationship with your boss, with your supervisor, with your coworkers about what you'd like to do and what your goals are as a keeper. Another option that you could bring up with your supervisor or your coworkers even is to start a visit-a job. So the North Carolina Zoo is really big and we had lots of different sections, and keepers really wanted to know what it was like to work in different sections that we didn't have an opportunity to work in before. So they started a visit-a job program that on days that we were heavily staffed or full staffed, that if time allowed, we could go over and shadow another section for a day. So this not only helped us learn the routines of other keepers on the park and some of the animals that they care for and get that experience, but it also gave us backup. If somebody had been there a couple times because they really liked it, they knew a little bit about the routine and what the ins and outs were. So it was really easy for us, if we were short-staffed, to pull someone from a different section to help in that area. Another option is to ask about starting a swing keeper position. So these positions are really interesting because you're actually filling in for people that are out sick or maybe on vacation leave or maternity leave even. So every day might be a little bit different. You might work in a different building every single day of the week depending on what the staff is, or you might be somewhere for a couple months at a time. Say you're filling in for someone who's out on maternity leave. So that's another way to kind of work around the zoo and get a lot of different hands-on experience in the animals that you're interested in. And then when you're really set and you understand where it is you want to go, you can focus your efforts on getting into that dream section or working with those dream animals. If those don't pan out, sometimes just sticking with what you're doing for a while and building your experience can also really help you build your resume, and it's going to make you more attractive to other positions as they open up within your zoo. I am also a strong believer that hard work and determination plays off. So if you can't move right away, working hard and doing your best job, even if it's not working with the animals of your dreams, is going to show that you're dedicated to the field and to the position and the zoo itself. So keep on working hard at the job, and hopefully some of this advice will help you move into an area that you're working with the animals of your dreams.